Video 5. Maintaining stormwater conveyances, including bioswales and trenches. Stormwater conveyances are similar to stormwater harvesting basins in that they are depressions in the landscape. However, they are sloped features and they are designed to allow stormwater to move through them efficiently. They can be straight or curved, and they often use plants and check dams to slow stormwater in order to support plant life and allow infiltration. Two common types of stormwater conveyances are bioswales and trenches. Bioswales include and support plants, slow down and infiltrate stormwater, and improve stormwater quality. They often include organic mulch, such as wood chips, or inorganic mulch, like gravel and cobblestone.
So here we have an example of a stormwater bump out along a major street. And the way this works, as stormwater comes down the street, it enters through this inlet, travels into a small rainwater harvesting basin, provides irrigation to the tree and the vegetation within the basin, and then the water that doesn't infiltrate continues on through the outlet and down the street. So the very first thing you want to do with stormwater bump out maintenance is pick up the trash. One, because it's unsightly, and two, because as that trash piles up, it can create issues both at the inlet and the outlet for the function of the stormwater basin. So as we can see here with the puddling that's happening right before the bump out, our inlet is clogged. So all of the sediment that has traveled down has built up in front of this grass and built up right where we need the water to go. So what we need to do is remove all of this sediment, remove this grass, and allow the water to get into the basin. Since the utility pad is here, we want the water to travel in this way. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this grass and really worry about where the water's coming in right here. So we remove that grass and we're gonna flatten this out, shape this again, and allow the water to continue on its way. So what we're gonna do here is for the water that comes through, we wanna create a solid surface and a lower depression so that no sediment can build up here. So what we're gonna do is remove some of this soil and then bring back larger diameter cobble and embed it so that we have a little entryway here for the stormwater to pass through. So what we've done here is we've now installed cobble below grade so that any water traveling through can now pass over this and enter the rainwater basin. So one thing we noticed while working on this basin is that during some recent utility work, a hole was created to run a line, but this hole didn't get completely filled in, and as stormwater comes in, it's gonna keep eroding. So what we're gonna do is use soil that we gathered from cleaning out the inlet, which you can see here, to then pack this back in and put gravel over top.